myself Ajay from 9th grade and I am from Ashtrix School of Robotics, Nagar Academy.
My name is Jashwin. I am studying in grade 5, Ashtrix School of Robotics, Nagar.
My name is Jashwin. I am studying 9th standard from Ashtrix School of Robotics. Our project name is Bluetooth tank module.
It can be controlled in mobile.
The robot which we built contains Arduino, rechargeable batteries, jumper wires, Bluetooth module, Arduino power module, and motor with 8 to 9
This project helps us understanding the practical applications of robotics in day-to-day life, programming, and wireless communication. Thank you.